in this view, in this substance view, you will notice that it's changed a little bit. Before we had two table of contents. We had an initial table of contents which were merged with various actions, and then another table of contents when you went inside any particular section document. Now the table of contents and the improved table of contents has been merged with a set of actions, so you have one view only of your substance. In this case, in the table of contents on the left-hand side, you can go to a dossier header and provide information on this dossier header as needed. This draft dossier header will be saved and can be used later for when you validate or create a dossier. You can also switch working context. For instance, I can switch to reach registration above 1,000 tons by clicking here. Also on the left-hand side, you can expand and collapse and navigate through the entire section tree of a substance. For instance, I can open up section 4 here and go to a particular document, let's say appearance, physical state and color. All the actions you would expect are here. I can delete a document, I can add a document, and I can move documents up and down underneath a section node.